The RubberForm Trackout Control Mat is going to be different than any other manufactured mat on the market. The reason being is every other manufactured mat that you'll see on the market is going to be a plastic sheet or a panel plate style type mat that is going to require hardware kits, brackets, anchors, and a special accessory to maintain them. Whereas a RubberForm Trackout Control Mat, as you can see, there's no bottom to it. So when you lift up our mat to lay it out, you won't need to bolt it down, use brackets to connect one to another. You can go one in front of the other, side by side, and it's fully maintainable as well. Replacement parts, blocks, cables, all able to be pieced back together should anything happen to it. And the other nice feature of ours is it's never going to cake up or clog up on you. It's never going to get covered like a plastic sheet will. A lot of times our customers will come to us because they're sick of maintaining a plastic sheet, whereas with ours, lift it up, lay it down to install, lift it up, lay it down to maintain it. 3 reasons why stone construction entrances and exits are a pain. 1, they're guaranteed to take forever to install. 2, they're guaranteed to be a nightmare to maintain. You might even have to add more stone. And 3, you're guaranteed to have a mess to clean up at the end of every single job. And that's why one of our most commonly ordered solutions is our Trackout Control Mat. No calling 811, no hardware kits, no anchors, no brackets, no special accessories to clean. No getting clogged up, no getting caked up or covered up with stone or other debris. And the best part, it only takes 30 seconds to install. Everything that we manufacture is going to be made from recycled materials. Everything that we source is recycled material from the United States, manufactured in the United States. So that means that we're going to be clearing up our own backyard using materials that may have just been thrown away. People think they may not have another purpose. RubberForm is always finding new ways to use recycled materials found in the United States to manufacture what you see here today. Our solutions don't have any toxic materials that's built into it. A lot of binders that competitors will use do have some toxic materials in them. RubberForm, everything that we manufacture, everything that we source is recycled, clean, and safe to use on your job site.